artists. Do you love cupcakes? Because today, we are going to paint a super cute and yummy cupcake. I'll be using color pens and pencils, but you can use any colors you have at home, crayons, markers, or even watercolor. So, grab your colors, and let's get started. Alright? First, we need to draw the outline of our cupcake. Start by drawing a big U shape for the cupcake base. Great! Now, let's draw the fluffy, swirly frosting on top. Make it big and round like a cloud. Don't forget to add some decorations, maybe a cherry, sprinkles, or even a tiny face to make it extra cute. Take your time, and don't worry if it's not perfect. Just have fun. A bright yellow color. Make sure to color